Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. What we have here is a 2020 ISUZU NPR with the 6.0-liter V8 gas engine. This is a one-owner, fleet-maintained ISUZU just coming off a lease from ISUZU Finance. It has gone through our shop, undergoing our road-ready service and inspection program, and it is ready to go today. This aluminum-skinned cargo box by Lyncoach is 14 foot long, 96 inches wide, and get this, it has a 96-inch interior height. And that gives you a full 88 inches of clearance for your rear door opening. It is equipped with a hardwood floor, tie-down slats, an overhead work light, and on the rear, an aluminum loading ramp. The cab interior is in very nice condition and is equipped with all the features and specifications that you would expect on a 2020 model. Now, if you haven't done so already, please help us grow this channel and hit that like and subscribe button. Jumping ahead a little bit, this truck is powered by the very popular 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine. I don't know about you, but around here, we are all about the gas engine. Unlike the diesel engines, you're not going to have to worry about turbo failures, injectors getting clogged, super expensive fuel pumps, and the million issues that you could run into from the emission system. The ISUZU gas truck is the definition of a user-friendly vehicle. Matter of fact, let me know down in the comments what your experience with this engine is. And now for the big question, how do I buy this truck? We're in Oklahoma, and if you're out of state, no big deal. We make the purchase process seamless. We take cash payments, and we also have very competitive financing. Call or message me for our digital credit application. We also offer coast-to-coast delivery with licensed and insured carriers. And be sure to ask us about our nationwide optional warranty through Truckmaster. Now, if this isn't exactly what you're looking for, be sure to visit our website because we stock a huge inventory of pre-owned box trucks. As always, remember, my name is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and I'm here to help you grow your business.